Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2 app, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to repost a story on Instagram. To do so, first of all open your Instagram app. If someone has tagged you in their story, you will receive a notification in your direct messages. To find it, open the message section and then tap on the message where they have tagged you. Here you will see an option saying add to your story. Now, once you click on it, you can customize the story using stickers, text, or GIFs if you'd like. Then you will need to tap on add to story. Keep in mind that you can only directly repost stories when you've been mentioned in them. And that's it. That's how to repost a story on Instagram. And if this video helped, follow us for more tips and tutorials.